am your fucking Chaley. I am live here in Durban, South Africa. And guys, I hope you are enjoying my vlogs from South Africa. Today is a beautiful day. We are going to explore the city of Durban. We are going to be seeing how beautiful South Africa is. We are going to see how beautiful Durban is. And there's amazing activities to do today. And of course, you guys are coming along. So let's go. Let's enjoy the scenery of this beautiful place. I have had a feel of South Africa already, but I'm sure you also want to experience it for yourself. So let's go.
The Blue Lagoon at Umgeni River. Just now we are just walking towards the Green Hub. Normally the Green Hub is a bike hire.
Okay.
And also an a tourism information office that was built in 2010 during the World Cup.
Okay.
It was to accommodate visitors who came in for World Cup if they want to go around the city. And also it was also the drop-off zone of bikes.
Okay.
If you have hired a bike from Ushaga, you can ride up to the stadium and you can drop off the bike at the stadium or here.
Okay.
It was like vice versa during that time.
Okay, so guys, this is our tour guide for today's trip. What's your name?
Shanelly.
Shanelly. Okay.
They also do different tours. There is a bicycle ride that starts from here to Ushaga Marine. They also have the city cycling tour. They also have a cycling sip tour whereby you also go for a wine tasting.
So we are currently here at the Blue Lagoon about to ride a bike. Everyone is like ready having a bike. This is my bike. I took a very sexy, cute, blue looking bike. Hey. Yay! This is interesting. For people who can't ride a bike, I don't know what the fun it is. Like, you can't ride a bike at your age? But this is so fun. We are about to take a ride and of course you guys are coming along. So I'm going to put on my helmet and show you around. Let's go. So guys, I have my camera behind the tour guide and I'm going to be following him. So if you see me behind, just know he has my camera and yeah.
Now we are next to Kingfisher Canoe Club. This is where they normally launch when they train for Canoe Duzi Marathon. So just across from this bridge to that bridge, that is the mangrove forest. Does anyone know the mangrove forest?
Yeah, we have some in Ghana too.
But the mangrove forest has like there are three different types of mangroves. You'll find the black, the red, and the white mangroves. Then there are specific animals that are commonly found from there, and also birds that are commonly found there. Animals that you could find, you'll find mostly crabs and frogs. And those animals that you find there, they could not survive anywhere. They only survive from that forest. And also those plants that you see, they only survive there. Then
so far it's been so fun. Hi Sassy! What happened?
Oh my God, it's been amazing, guys. Like, it's, you know what, Durban, I wasn't expecting this, but it's just been so lovely. Like biking, the views. I'm a fan of views. It's so beautiful. Just the vibes, everything.
The vibes, yeah. And the fact that the weather is so calm. We've been riding for some time now. We are not even sweating. Like, yeah. So let's go, guys. So we just ended our cycling tour at the Blue Lagoon. We are going to the next, and of course you guys are coming along. So this is the shuttle behind picking all of us. So let's go, guys. So we are currently here at the city center, and this is also the first place where the train was also built. So as you can see, there are tall buildings behind me. Everyone is selling, everyone is buying, everyone is chilling. Yeah.
Okay, we are at the Victoria Market currently, where you will see different things from different cultures, even African countries. Some of the things that like artwork, the beads, the spices, you also find them here. Then we will go in a smaller shop where they will teach you about spices and how do you mix spices if you cook.
Well, most of the spices come in from India, but of course some spices grow in Africa, like cardamom, cinnamon, certain spices, cloves, right, you get in Tanzania, you know, certain spices. Yeah, so these spices are imported. Initially, the bulk of our clients were Indian clients, but over the years, it's evolved. There's whites, blacks, everybody now indulges in curry, some form of curry or spice. So that's where we've been. And the good thing about us, we blend it for people according to their requirements. You may prefer a medium mix. She may prefer a hot mix. You know, somebody wants a more turmeric in it, color. You put more turmeric, by the way. And of course,
break it down?
Yeah.
Can I break it down? Sure. Yes, certainly.
For us, please.
Well, look, curry isn't one spice. Curry is a fusion. It's a blend of different spices. And you'll find in the Indian kitchen spices like coriander. You know coriander? We call that dhania. Then you get another spice called cumin or cumin. That's the one. That's cumin. These are seeds, by the way, ground into powder. This is fennel. You know fennel? Fennel is very good for digestion, for heartburn, etc. You'll find Indian restaurants after dinner, they give you fennel coated sweets that you chew on. It's for your heartburn, your digestion, etc. So that's the fennel. This one's garam masala. Garam masala is a mixture with cinnamon, pepper, cloves, nutmeg, all ground together. Paprika, that's your nice deep red color, paprika. Chili, that's the hotter one. Piri piri, that's mamma mia. Now this is really hot.
Pepe.
Peri peri is the hottest chili in this part of the world. It's not the hottest in the world. I mean, you've got habaneros and ghost peppers and whatever that are so down hot, you know, jalapenos and whatever that are so hot. But peri peri is the Southern African hottest chili. And the yellow one is turmeric or turmeric. This is, I call it the wonder spice. It's extremely healthy. It's good for you. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's an antioxidant. Really, turmeric is a wonder spice. The world over is now consuming turmeric, either in paste form or powder form, whatever form. And this is what it is, in tablets, paste, etc. Because what this does, it alters your alkalinity. It reduces your acidity and increases your alkalinity. That's why it's so good. That's the turmeric. So this is what the base of the curry is. So the housewife will put her coriander, cumin, fennel, cinnamon, ginger, garlic. Then we'll also put fresh ginger and garlic. We take root ginger, we crush it up. We take garlic, we crush it up with the pestle and mortar. So that's added in as well. And this is what it looks like. These are the threads. That's your saffron. That's for paella, for risotto, for bouillabaisse, for biryani, for pilau. Like recently we had our Eid festival, right? And during the Eid festival, everybody indulges and makes royal dishes. And one of the royal dishes is like biryani or pilau or kalia or whatever. And you use the saffron. Saffron is tiny threads that are hand-picked. And the best saffron comes from Iran. That's Persian saffron. Of course, you get saffron from Spain, you get saffron from Switzerland as well, Morocco as well. But the best saffron is your Iranian or Persian saffron. But that's the expensive. But it's not used every day in every dish. It's used for special dishes, for special occasions. When you're doing a treat or something good, you know, that's your saffron. So curry, ladies, it's all these spices put together.
850. This is 850. Guys, let me know in the comment section if it's beautiful, because I think it's beautiful. It's in South African colors. They have beautiful artifacts. And there's this cup. Wow, this is nice. Wow, I have a similar cup here I use in the office. Let me see. Oh, okay. Guys, let me know in the comment section, how would you rate these earrings and this purse? How much is the earring? How much is the necklace? This is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so let's see what to get. So guys, I got this necklace. How much is it?
450, 400 for you.
Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section if you think I should get this. I like it though. But it's like, it feels as though it's holding my neck. Can I have a bigger one? My neck is very big, so it's
No, let me
starting.
adjust it. I put it at the.
Okay. I'm getting this for 300 and this for 90. Yeah.
No.
Fine now. 90 is fine now.
She put it on camera, so I can't say no.
You can't say no. Yeah, you can't say no. So I'm getting this for myself, and then that I'm really confused as to what to give my friends and family, but then I'm sure I'll figure it out on what to give.
What do you want to say? What were you saying?
On what to give my friends and family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You don't want to get the.
I don't know. Like it's too small. Like
Too small.
yeah, it's like nothing to appreciate. Okay, wait. Show me what you wanted me to get.
Gifts because they appreciate you.
You
Because you
understand,
love
like-
to give gifts.
And like you don't give it to them.
Exactly.
It's not what they
So
want
this
to
is
buy.
for jewelry.
Yeah, you can store your jewelry. Anything really. Yes, you can, it could be like a snack stuff, but it represents South Africa. The
Africa,
colors
it's made-
and like it's made
And
here.
remember, this is done
And for
with
me,
your-
I feel like it will fit into my box. I don't have to do with any extra. Anything.
and then I add
ended
this
up,
to the.
yeah, you add a cup. I ended up buying headbands for my friends. I got this necklace for myself and a cup. So we're about to go on a city tour on this bus behind me, and I'm super excited you all are coming along with me. So let's go. This gives you a better view of Durban. This gives you a better view of the city.
And vibrant destination, a city that has a lot to offer in terms of heritage, in terms of destinations, in terms of sites and also experiences. We have 5 tourism regions altogether. The central region is the one that we basically cover in this tour. We are going to be driving the entire central region from the beach to the city center, and also we'll then drive up towards the destination, our bus. They were introduced in 1893 by a farmer and a sugar magnate, Mr. Marshall Campbell, who imported them from Japan. Their full name is Jinrikisha, and this means a man-powered vehicle. We had 2,000 rickshaws once. Our left-hand side here in the circle, we normally have the rickshaw carriages. The rickshaw carriages are a namesake of our bus. They were introduced in 1893 by a farmer and a sugar magnate, Mr. Marshall Campbell, who imported them from Japan. Their full name is Jinrikisha, and this means a man-powered vehicle. We had 2,000 rickshaws once. Now we are just left with about 20 of them, and all of them have a unique design and pattern on their bodies. They have all one thing in common. That will be the horns that are symbolic of the puller's ancestry, because they are mostly pulled by people of Zulu culture. On our right hand side, we have the rickshaw monument here to celebrate the presence of the rickshaws on our mile.
So one thing I've realized is the coast of Durban has like high-rise building, which is really cool. So everywhere you are close to the coast, you can get like amazing views of the Indian Ocean, and also you get to experience Durban, like Durban, because Durban is like the coastal part of South Africa. So so far so good. It's beautiful out here.
Behind us, we are being chased away from our spots by the People Mover bus. This is a commuter transport that operates daily from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. during our low season till midnight during our high season. To board the bus, it's important to have a loose change. They charge 6 rand per person for a single trip, 16 rand 50 for many trips that you can fit in. That depends on when you purchase your tickets. If you purchase it now, it will be, you can have as many trips as you can fit in from that moment on till 10 p.m., which is when the last bus runs. Along the mile, you have an opportunity to shop for craft, for curios, and for beachwear. You have a chance to also choose from a variety of our beaches, which are all individually named. This works best because each of the beaches is unique in shape, also unique in the way that you can experience it. Just to give an example of what I am meaning, if you go to the south as a surfer, you might enjoy that. If you are still a learning surfer, starter surfer, neophyte. The North Beach, I'll just explain what I mean by the differences in the beaches. The North Beach is the one that is mostly providing joy to the surfers because it has rigorous waves. It is more suitable for one who is an advanced surfer because they now can do stars. They can enjoy the larger waves as compared to the smaller ones here in the south. There are other things also that are making the beaches unique from one another, and we have piers in between. With only just one pier that has a structure in it, and that will be just down by the Shaka Marine World. I'll talk more about this as we progress.
So we are currently here at their residential area, and this is very nice. Sweet. hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed documenting every experience here in Durban, South Africa. A big shout out to the South African tourism. Until next time, on my next video, I love you all. Mwah.